Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's session. I apologize if my voice sounds a little bit different. I'm not sick or anything. It's just that I took a very long nap, evening nap, because this morning I decided I wanted to be proactive. Yeah, so I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night because I cannot really sleep. Let me see if I still got the data or not. Yeah, I should have screenshot it all. Yeah, I don't have the data right now. Oh yeah, maybe under the sleep app will have. Let me see. Sleep. Let me see. Let me see. Now it's not showing the 2 hours of sleep, like guys. It's showing total now 7 hours, if you can see, because just now I slept for like 4 hours extra, but last night it was like 2 hours of sleep only. But I still was very how to say, I wanted to then maybe try to change the lifestyle a little bit. Like, wake up, go jogging, go do something proactive. So then I woke up around 7:30. So I was up, proactive, proactive, proactive. And then when I come back home, so I took quite a long nap. Lah. So sorry, guys. I do my intro. For those that don't know who I am, thank you so much for joining the live stream. First of all, my name is Guna. So what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much free information pertaining to price action, everything live. I also share with you guys any trading opportunities that I am anticipating to take on the day. Okay, if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's start with crypto today. Hello, sir. Hello, Lion. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay, guys. So let's get into today's session. Okay, we start with crypto first. I'm mainly going to be sharing with you guys two potential opportunities for crypto. Okay, there will be Solana and also Dogecoin. So I'm actually potentially focusing on selling opportunities. Okay, if you see here, I did this analysis during London session before I slept. Okay, yeah, before I sleep, see around here. Okay, I was analyzing this and I understood that there was equal highs. Okay, within this level. If you guys want to know where is the equal high, okay, see this green candle here. Just look at the high, the word high, right? Look at the number 18225. Look at the high in the red candle 18225. So this is an equal high. Okay, so since this is an equal high, I anticipate for selling opportunity, but I did not enter here, even though price start to make a move towards the downside. The reason being is because price action is showing me that there is a very high probability that we may be coming to take out this equal high. So that's why I just leave it be and I'm waiting right now for potentially price to take it out first, respect this zone, okay, and then probably move towards the downside. So this is what I'm anticipating now. Oh, sorry. Because yesterday's target, if you guys see, okay, I entered a bit late, okay, but this one is already taken out lah. So our prediction for yesterday was amazing. Good job to you guys. If any of you guys actually entered any of the opportunities that we spoke about during our live stream, congratulations to you. So I also realized after that target has taken out, okay, I got out of the trade and then I realized, oh, price is actually coming back inside of this zone. So can we still potentially focus on selling opportunities? At the time, right, when I was checking, okay, if we can potentially still focus on sales, yes, based on bigger time frames, all right, I'm really seeing that we still can focus on sales. But I'm waiting right now to see when that opportunity is going to arise. Okay? Because if you see based on daily, so we are kind of moving down still. But you see this big green candle, okay, we have 11 hours someone to close. Understand? So similar to this line, you see this one? Okay. You see this candle here. This candle closed as the bearish candle, correct? Okay, so this is the close. All right. So the market opened within this level. Maybe the market went up first, I'm not sure, or down first, I'm not sure, but we can see based on the smaller time frame later we can go through. Okay, but the market went up all the way to this level, which is very high. This is a bullish candle at one point. So everybody may have think or thought that this might be closing as a bullish candle, but instead, when the 24 hours are up, Can you see how low we went and then we closed a bearish candle? Yeah, so this is why we cannot just simply trust this. Okay, we have to really wait and see and understand based on price reactions, if that makes sense. Okay, so like I promise you guys, right? Okay, I show you guys this candle. So we go smaller time frames. Okay, you see this move up, right? Here, this move up. This is essentially the move that carried out that potential bullish movement. This is it. That's it. Okay. But overall, okay, this is the move eventually lah. Okay. This whole thing. Because since we have 3 sessions, right, for a day, Asia, sorry guys, Asia, London, and then New York. Correct? So this is the bearish move down. Based on this alone, which one do you guys think is the impulse? Which one do you guys think is the pullback? Is it Asia pullback or Asia impulse or London impulse and New York also impulse? Only pullback is Asia. Quite obvious, right? It's obvious, right? The pullback is actually Asia. So that's why we cannot get very attached to what we are seeing in currently lah, okay, in candles, regardless the time frame. It doesn't matter bigger time frame, smaller time frame, does not matter. But it matters in the sense of how you react to them. Okay, it does not mean, okay, we go back again to here because this is important. It does not mean if you see a greenish candle, okay, bullish candle, very strong, right now, right? Okay, I move this on, see, okay, quite strong candle one. This is daily, but your mindset, right, you cannot fix it that this is the actual outcome. This is not the actual outcome. We have 11 hours some more, guys, for this candle to actually close. Even though we see this bullish move up, similarly to how this candle moved up first for a few hours, because we use the hourly time frame, eventually within the 24 hours are up, the real move was towards the downside. Okay, and overall based on price action, we are still trending towards the downside. However, okay, why we are seeing this greenish candle here is a little bit more relevant compared to any greenish candle between here is because key levels. Okay, so we understand that we are currently inside of a key level, hence we are starting to move towards the upside. Okay, so I personally still think we will be moving down. Okay, that's why I still have targets below. So that is why personally I'm still anticipating for a selling opportunity, but not yet. Okay, I'm just waiting right now for, okay, equal high has been taken out. Can you see equal highs has been taken out already? So equalize are no longer relevant. So probably around this timing, maybe 9:30 or 10:30, like this time, I will potentially be able to find a possible opportunity, which I can be focusing on for today. Okay, but right now, I'm not seeing much, but something interesting that I want to share with you guys. This zone I draw with you guys live yesterday. Okay, see, focus on. Okay, this zone I draw with you guys live yesterday. Price came inside of this level. Then we move towards the downside. Correct? Right now, price is coming back inside of this level. So do you guys think we will still hold the same potential power to move down? Or actually our power already kurang already since we already used it? Actually depends. The answer is actually depends. Because what it depends on is reaction. The reaction will literally tell you if you can consider this zone still valid and still powerful, or you can reconsider this zone whereby price now wants to make a move towards the upside. Okay, remember, I am focusing on potential sell, but it does not mean I cannot find buying opportunities. My impulse directional bias, remember impulse directional bias is sell, but I can find potential opportunities for buy, but I will treat it as potential pullbacks for now, unless I see certain things change in other time frames. Okay. Another thing to note: can you see this rejection, guys? Okay, this is a very strong rejection where towards the downside, and we're seeing powerful reaction moves towards the upside. So you see, this is kind of like a starting point of a potential bullish move up. All right. So that is why I will be waiting and seeing where market wants to go. Considering you see right now we close just only we close this hourly candle, right? Okay. Now only we close this hourly candle and we close all the way to this part here lah. Okay. Let's see in bigger time frames. I don't think 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours not yet. Yeah, 4 hours not yet. 2 hours or so. 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours or so not yet closed yet. So based on the hourly time frame, we are bullish. Okay, just bear that in mind. Hourly time frame, we are currently bullish, but not any opportunity for entry as of now. Personally, I'm still primarily focusing on sell, unless I see certain things happen around maybe let me see our time. It's on our time. It's on about 3 hours time. Yeah, unless I really see something happening, okay, within 3 hours. So probably tomorrow only I will actually find out if we're going to be starting a bullish move up, or we're still going to take out this last target before we potentially make a move higher. Okay, but based on hourly time frame, we are giving a certain footprint, a starting point for potential move towards the upside. But am I going to be focused on that buying opportunity? For now, definitely no. I'm focusing solely on sales for now. Okay, but again, if you guys want to focus on buys, of course you can. This is just my personal opinion only. Okay? Okay, so guys, let's get into Dogecoin. I'll share with you guys what I saw in Dogecoin. Okay, so same thing, guys, in Dogecoin. Okay, very similar thing. I am basically waiting to see reactions for a selling opportunity. That's it. Okay, nothing fancy. Earlier, I actually was anticipating for this move here. Show you. This one here. Okay. But then when price show me a reaction, right, we never really wanted to move away. This candle kind of made my confluence, my trading idea very valid to the point I feel like, wow, we're really going to move down. Can you guys tell why? I show you this. Can you see a very long wick, guys? Just now when I was analyzing Dogecoin, this candle was entirely red. So big red candle. This is what I learned, okay, from losing so many time in trading, which I want to advise you guys again. I say it so many times. Always wait for candle closure. Always do that. The old me, okay, because I was focusing on sales, the moment I see that this big candle, I'll be entering either midway or anything. I will set my SLs above the high. Can you see what the next candle did? Who do you think they are hunting here? It's quite obvious, right? Market makers are hunting liquidity from retail traders. Never do this, guys. Always, no matter what, calm your heart, right? Calm your mind. Wait for the candle to close. Even if you feel like if I wait for the candle to close, it'll be 11 o'clock. Then I don't usually trade 11. Good. Don't trade then. Trade the next day. Remember, earning profits in the market is one thing, but protecting your capital is another. Without protecting your capital, you cannot earn profits in the market or lose in the market. So essentially, your priority it will always be your capital, not trading, not finding opportunity to enter. That is not your priority. The priority is making sure your capital is always kept properly. You follow your risk management plan and only enter when the market really shows you what you would like to see. Okay, then only find a potential entry opportunity. That is why every time I do my live stream, I share with you guys potentially what I'm anticipating and what I'm waiting for. So you guys can wait for the same thing. When it happens, enter the market. Something like Solana, I even share with you guys a gold. Later, I'll update you guys. Gold went to the target also. I also share with you guys USD CAD also went to the target also. Later, I will share with you guys. Okay, but USD TPY didn't, guys. That one, so sayang. I will share with you guys also. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for crypto space. I'm not going to be going through BTC or ETH. Okay, because I already went through this now, and I couldn't really understand. Not understand. I couldn't really find clearer forms of liquidity in them. Okay. Also, another main reason is my student is also validating this. Okay, and then we will be having class in a few days time. So I want these few days to be solely dedicated to my student for the BTC pack. So that's why I only highlighting to you guys Dogecoin and Solana for potential opportunities. Okay. So I need to. Okay, I speak to you guys about gold first. How's that? Okay, so this is the one, guys. Remember the target? Okay, my TP was here only. This level here. Okay, that's it. No, that was my TP. Look at it went to the target. Remember, wherever we set target, okay, if this is my target, okay, this is my entry. Okay, see, this is why. No, it's roughly, yeah, roughly here. Okay, this is the one. Yeah. Okay, this one. As long your goal, for example, you want to get 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2.5, which is what I aimed for yesterday, 1 to 3.5. What is your risk to reward? Okay. If your entry and your target zone can be within, I mean, target, not target zone, your goal lah, okay, which is 2.5 risk to reward, it can be within your target level. That is amazing. You have a very high confidence whereby the market with high probability to go and take out your TP, not take out, hit your TP. Because why? You are anticipating for an even lower move now. But at the same time, this is also what the market teach me: do not be greedy. Okay, even though this is take profit, 2.5 was what I my goal was yesterday. Okay, and I achieved my goal. I don't have to purposely drag, even though I anticipate for this target to be taken out, which I could have earned more. But the game, not the game, the concept of trading and the mindset of trading is not about gaining more. Okay, it is about following your plan and making sure you're disciplined enough to only take what you need based on your plan, because that is what in the long term will make you successful. And when I say long term, I don't mean 5 years, 6 years. Okay, I even mean a few months time you can see success already in trading if you have a plan, if you follow that plan. So even though I could have earned this much, am I sad? No, I'm not sad. I do this so long already, almost 4 years already. I don't feel sad for these things because for me it is still a successful trade, very successful trade. Okay, so I just want to share this with you guys. That's a very important mindset thing to think about. So I just want to highlight goal for you. I'm not giving you guys any goal opportunity for today because my student is also handling goal. Okay, but I will be just highlighting certain things lah about like GBP USD. Okay, I will also speak a little bit about USD JPY. So GBP USD, I'm actually anticipating for selling opportunities. And my target, right? This is the target. This is basically my ultimate target, which I am kind of anticipating price to move towards too. Okay, apologies for this line. This is just me backtesting. I love to backtest a lot. Okay, so this is my ultimate target, which I believe price wants to go to. Okay, so I'm not seeing, unfortunately, lah, I'm not seeing the proper reaction that I would like to see. Okay, however, in certain bigger time frames, right? Yes, I am seeing beautiful certain forms of reaction. However, okay, this is a fair value gap that is created in the H4. Okay, and I'm seeing certain form of reaction, but I do not like this. See this rejection here. Okay, so this rejection is not a nice thing to see. And then especially this trading opportunity, I'm not anticipating to take based on H4 because if it's based on H4, I think you reach my target already before I find an opportunity. Okay, so not that pretty. Okay, for GBP USD in terms of what I personally would like to see. So I am personally going to be waiting a little bit more to understand the probability of where price or when that opportunity is going to be coming up for me. I truly think I will be able to find an opportunity entry model by tomorrow, I think. Okay, because I'm not seeing much today. So I believe tomorrow I'll find the entry opportunity. But for this week, right? Sorry guys, this week I am focusing on this target here, which is 1.33992 for GBP USD to actually take out. Okay, so I just sharing that with you guys lah. Overall, I'm focusing on this selling opportunity. I remember once in the live stream, weeks on end, I keep focusing on buy, 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 right? Now you see this week, I'm focusing on sell, 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 sell. Okay, guys. So, okay, another thing, USD JBY. Okay, so I am potentially focusing on a buying opportunity for USD JPY. And also, I do have certain targets lah. Okay, but actually, I have a bigger target here, 149.469, which I'm anticipating for price to take out, but I don't think it will take out by this week because this is a very, very long move up. But these two targets have a higher probability to be taken out by hopefully by this week lah. Okay, also based on bigger time frames, right? Okay, we are still moving towards the upside. Okay, based on H4 levels lah. But the thing I do not like is just a certain way of how can you see all of these rejections here. Let me highlight this. Can you see all of these rejections here. Okay, can you see almost the same level? Can you see almost the same level? Okay, so this is something that we should be keeping an eye out on because in the marketplace there are, I'm not sure if you guys know footprint charts. Maybe you can search it up lah, footprint charts. That is definitely something I want to be adding into my personal trading style also. So in certain levels and certain zones in the market, right, we cannot see it, but we can see selling pressure, buying pressure. Okay, but the way how we can see it based on price action is using the candle wick structure, using the how the candle behave in certain levels, and then using data. So based on hourly, 4 hours, 30 minutes also can, no problem. You just see overall when price comes inside of this level roughly, agak-agak, what is the reaction price is giving to you. Essentially, to be honest, I believe support and resistance also people use this kind of understanding lah to make, but it's a lot more deeper than that lah. It's really in the sense of what the data is showing you and how price is actually reacting. Okay, so that's what we need to focus on. So I am focusing on buys, but I also want to highlight another thing to you guys lah. It's not necessarily I will be entering USD/JPY. The reason being is because, watch carefully, this we are trending down. But can you see how price very slow this entire week? What does this remind us of? Gold. Gold this week very good. Okay, see, we are trending now. Can you see how slow price is moving? Can you see all the rejections and stuff all? Okay, price is moving very slow, very slowly. So this is something definitely I'm keeping my eyes out on. If you see previous weeks, can you see how market moving? Can you see how beautiful? We don't see these kind of reaction for quite some time. Okay, we have it here. Can you see? We have it here. All right. So basically, let's see the date this one. Let's start from here. 5th of August, right? 5th of August. So let's try the 4th lah. 4th is here. No. Let's just do the 5th lah. Because from the 5th only, it start to be slow down. So it's Tuesday. 5th until the 8th. Just showing you guys. 5th. Tuesday. Where is the 8th? See? 8. Okay. So basically, 5th on Tuesday all the way until Friday at 9 a.m. Okay, there was no trading opportunity. After that, only market really moved towards the upside. So this is why I keep telling you guys: the more you backtest, the more you really try to understand reactions, market reactions, you will start to see a certain pattern. Why I say consolidation doesn't mean market no power, market no idea where he want to go. Market is collecting power. Okay, market maker know where he want to move the market. But why he collecting power? Probably is because he need more funding in the sense of liquidity to push price higher. Okay, most probably. So this is why I say consolidation, there is a good opportunity, definitely, but you have to be patient enough to wait for it. So same thing here. That is why I say I'm focusing on buys. I do have targets, but I'm not anticipating, or not anticipating, not really like have to enter this potential opportunity right now. Because why? We are still moving incredibly slow. Okay. Still, we are moving incredibly slow. At the same time, even though I saw this buying opportunity, market, you can see rejections, still within this level. Okay, so this is why I always put this watch reaction. It always depends on reactions for me. Lah. So if I don't see the proper reaction of what price wants to do, I won't be entering the market. Okay, so let me highlight to you guys USD CAD. Okay, so this is the one, guys, that I told you guys yesterday also, that the ultimate main target, this is not really this is actually kind of the ultimate. I just never write the ultimate. Okay, this is the bigger time frame now, liquidity level. So this has been taken up already. So this was the time that we actually spoke about yesterday, a powerful move up, and then it took up all of the liquidity levels already lah. So I cannot give you guys any potential trading opportunities for USD CAD because I didn't really go through the market, okay, in terms of any potential opportunity. Like I said, I don't like to simply chinchai give you guys my bias. Anything that I share with you in the live stream is really something that I'm anticipating to take. And whenever I take them, I'll be sharing it with you guys on my Instagram story. Lose also I'll share, like USDJPY yesterday you lose, I share. And also Solana, the one that actually won, also I share. Okay? I want to give as much transparency as I can to you guys, and I give you guys information up hand. Okay, before the move happened during my live stream, and then I will take it later on. Okay, because transparency is everything now. These days, very scary lah. They have quite a few mentors, also gurus that I believed in for so long on YouTube. I start to find out certain things based on evidence that people provide. Quite sad to see lah. Yeah, but what to do? We cannot control everything lah. Same like the markets, we cannot control everything. So we just do our best. Only. Okay, so guys, I think right, I will actually just end the live stream here because all of these potential opportunities are giving to you guys. We are literally just waiting right now. It's just a waiting game. So you see, Dogecoin is already about to give me this opportunity because I'm seeing a very good reaction. Okay, I want to wait and see for a potential zone to be created here, and then I'll be aiming for these targets. Okay, potentially I believe these targets will be taken up. So this is what I'm anticipating for Dogecoin. Solana, let's see Solana. Okay, after the equal high has been taken out, we are seeing reaction. Barcelona, I'm a little bit curious lah about this. Not curious, a little bit concerned about this reaction. Okay, this rejection here. But again, it will, later price action will show me a lot more prettier things. Ah, the dog is there. Okay, price action will show me a lot more prettier things to for what we can potentially be focusing on. But right now, that's why I put Dogecoin as the priority here, the first one, because I am more focused on Dogecoin for potential entry opportunity, just not yet. Basically, we are seeing the starting point, okay, for the reaction and the behavior of what we would like to see the market to do right now. Also, we are pre-New York session right now, so bear that in mind. New York usually acts as fuel. Okay, it doesn't really give much of an entry opportunity. So do not rush if you guys are not finding much of an entry opportunity. See, fuel. Okay, see, fuel. Okay, go back, guys. Study market behavior. Okay, market behavior is not a very hard thing to do. Like we have you guys played that word puzzle thing? Ah, not word puzzle. Word, what's it called? Word finder. Is it? It's very fun lah. You know the so many words, okay, in the book, and then they say they show you, okay, find the word cat, and then you go and see, oh, okay, cat here, then you just mark it up. Oh, find the word aeroplane. Oh, and then you find, then you mark it up. Something like that. What are you doing? You're just finding things. You're using your eyes. You can see something obviously. Oh, okay, the word is here. The word is here. The word is here. Same thing. Treat trading the same way. Essentially, what you're doing is just seeing each of the sessions. What are the behaviors you can find? Okay, look properly. Asia session. Okay, what kind of behavior are you seeing? Is it powerful or weak? How many times is it powerful? How many times is it weak? Okay, New York session. How many times it actually gives you an opportunity, but what is it essentially usually doing? In my opinion, it's few. Okay, so that's why I like to enter trades in Asia session for crypto or pre New York session for crypto and forex. Okay, forex is same sessions. I prefer to not enter during New York. Last time my trading is I enter a lot during New York session only. I even shared with you guys live streams. I even take some live trades or so before. But I don't talk like this lah. I live stream and I just write. Everything happening. I just write. That one I can do. If you guys want me to do that again, I can do like that live trades like that. But why I don't do live trades like this is because I a little bit hard to multitask, and then at the same time, how to say, when I take any live opportunities or trading, right, my mind is a bit different. Not like I become alien or anything. It's just that I would personally just be focusing on trading. I cannot update you guys whatever is happening or anything like because everything is in my mind. I'm not very good at multitasking in this sense. I did try it once before. I tried it because I wanted to make a YouTube video. It failed miserably. I really couldn't even enter the trade also because I got lost in my own analysis because I was like multitasking. Yeah, but this is definitely something that I want to change. I promise you guys I will change. I will be doing a live stream series eventually whereby like this same live stream. Okay, let me train. I am training. I promise you guys I am training. Once I'm comfortable already, I will do live streams whereby I will take trades with you guys, so you guys can potentially take the same trading opportunities, and we can learn if the trade goes sideways, okay, if the trade goes in our favor, why, and so on. If you guys like that idea, you guys can leave a comment. I would appreciate that. And also, guys, I would appreciate if you guys can give a like to this video, which will really help my channel grow and also reach out to more potential traders that maybe like similar content that I make. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm also trying to do my best to give you guys as much, okay, valuable, insightful, and fun content. Okay, sorry lah, my energy a bit, low today because I'm tired. I just woke up and showered, pray, so that's why like, loading, still loading. Okay, so traders, I think that'll be all for today. I think I will just leave you guys here with all of my predictions. Just remember, uh, I'm more focused on Dogecoin, okay, because price action is a lot more prettier, and I'm focusing for a selling opportunity. Remember the target levels, okay. You guys can rewatch this live stream to see the target levels, but do not purposely aim for all. I'm not training you guys to be greedy. I'm training you guys to be successful. Okay, greed cannot come with success. Okay, they never go together. For forex side, GBP not as pretty in terms of what I like to see, but my anticipation is towards the downside, and this is the ultimate target that I'm potentially aiming for by this week to be taken out in the next 2 days. Goal, I didn't give you guys anything yet because personally I never properly analyze much of gold because my students also doing gold. Okay, USD CAD, I just updated you guys. It's moving up. Okay, AUD I did have a target here. Okay, for a sell opportunity, but again lah, I never really go through the market, so I don't want to simply give you guys anything lah. You guys really need to learn properly. I don't want to give you guys simply predictions lah. So my opinion, okay, GBP is a good opportunity, but not yet. Okay, USD JPY also, but we have to wait and see for how market will react within this zone. Dogecoin really quite good lah. We can see it happening right now also. We can really see it happening right now. I have to wait a bit longer to really understand if price really wants to move down or not. Okay. So traders, I think I'll end the live stream here. If you guys are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. I love having you guys. We do have new subscribers time to time. So welcome if you guys are watching the live stream right now. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys are interested to learn how I actually do my trading, my analysis, I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby I take you guys even from a total newbie. It doesn't matter if you don't even know how to trade all the way up to how I analyze the markets today in my live streams. You guys will be able to understand and do the same thing. So all of these things that I draw, okay, you guys will immediately understand why I'm doing them, what I'm seeing in the market. So and also I have live streams Monday to Friday. So essentially, you on top of the classes within the 6 weeks, you guys are having classes as long as I keep doing live streams lah. Maybe until I'm 80 lah. Let's see. Okay, 8 years old, first grandpa to do live stream for trading. Okay, let me be that guy. Okay, so guys, again, thank you so much for joining the live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember to trade safely, wait for reactions. Remember my bias, okay, and just see how they play out prior to entering. Do not enter now. I'm also not entering right now. Like I said, I'm not seeing any entry opportunity yet, but I understand the potential bias of where I believe price is heading to. Okay. Thanks. No worries, Lion. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye.